Welcome back to Daily English Conversations. I'm July, and today we're bringing you part 6 of our English practice series with Anna. That's right, the movie just finished, and now July and I are sitting down for lunch to talk about what we thought of the film. Let's listen in. Dialogue Part 6, Discussing the Movie and Having Lunch. Wow, July, that movie was so funny. My jaws actually hurt from laughing so much. I know, right? The main actor was hilarious, especially during that restaurant scene. Absolutely. That was definitely the best part of the whole film. So, what are you in the mood to eat for lunch? How about that Italian place right across from the cinema? They have amazing pasta and pizza. Sounds delicious. Let's get a table near the window. At the restaurant. So, Anna, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the movie we just watched? I'd give it a solid 8 out of 10. It was super entertaining. What about you? I'd say an 8 too. The ending was a bit predictable, but overall, it was a great choice for a weekend outing. I totally agree. I'm so glad we decided to watch it together. Me too. Having a good friend to hang out with makes the weekend so much better. How do you review movies in English? What was the last funny movie you watched? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed part 6, please like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English dialogues. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Bye!